Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and in today's video we are going to do some Clawdeen wolf nails from Monster High. I've never seen any of the Monster High movies. I know what she looks like. I'm going to insert a picture right here of what she looks like. But I'm going to do them really simplistic. My nails are already all prepped, filed. All I need to do is just put primer and dehydrator on them. So that's what we're going to do. So let's go straight into prep. I actually didn't film myself putting on any primer or dehydrator, so you guys are just gonna have to trust me. But now I'm gonna go in. The nail tips I use is après sculpted long. I don't know why, but I've been feeling these long ones. Like, I'm looking at them now and I like them a lot, so I'm thinking about doing sculpted long more. But all I'm gonna do is go in, and this tip glue that I'm using is from Canny, the Canny tip glue. And I'm just gonna go in and press down my nail tip. Make sure you etch the inside of your après tip just to make sure it stays on longer. I know some people don't do that, but I do it. Please do what you want with your nails. It's your nails, but I'm letting you know how I do it. And I will be back when it's time to paint on the colors. Actually, I forgot all about this scene. So if you don't have enough glue and it doesn't go past the tip of your nail, what you can do is flip over your finger. You're going to do what I'm doing, even though it's blurry. Take some extra tip glue and put it where your natural nail ends. Just kind of float it under there, push it under there with your brush. That way your nails will stay on longer. That's happened to me a couple times. I've never caught it on film before. I usually only film one finger, and that's what I did for this video. I only filmed the pointer finger, so that's why you guys had seen that. But here is how the tips look when they're all applied. I did not file them yet. It's coming up here in a second. Here's how they look all prepped and sealed. I just go in with the brush and seal my cuticles with some 100% acetone. And here's how they're looking. So per the nail design, I have to go in with a brown, a sparkly purple color, and a purple Frenchies for my two fingers. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this. I will return in a little bit to talk to you guys.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. God is what's in my way. Live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Got to find out to see them. Wanna say nothing to say like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just let tomorrow wait. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Hey, I'm back. So this color I got from Shein or Temu. I've never used this sparkly color before, but I remember it came with a magnet, and I've always kept the magnet like on the side of my drawers. My drawers are metal, so it sticks on there. And so I was like, oh, this might be the cat eye polish I was trying to look for that came with the magnet. And it was, but I don't know how to do cat eye polish yet. So I was kind of just like messing up the pigment. So I don't know if I show it or not, but I kind of just went in with the magnet and I was kind of like playing with it a little bit. And I don't know, it just was not turning out right. So I just left it alone. Oh, here it is. You can see I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like messing up the pigment. So I was like, yeah, I'm just going to cure this and do 2 more coats. And that's what I did. I did 2 more coats because it's kind of sheer. I didn't think it was going to be this sheer, but it is. It's very sheer. So I went in with 2 more coats of this purple. And yeah, thank you for watching. I don't know why I said thank you, but I will see you guys in a little bit. Enjoy, please.
Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. God is what's tomorrow, where you live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Cause you find out to see them. You wanna say nothing to say like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. But tomorrow, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Okay, we've gotten to the end of the design, and all I'm going to do is add 2 little rhinestones on each of my Frenchie fingers and this gold champagne color. I don't know what color they call these rhinestones, but yeah, I didn't want to do the leopard print stripes on the purple because I like the French too much, and it was actually a perfect Frenchie, so I was like, I'm not gonna mess it up just because I wanted to follow the inspo picture. So here's what I came up with. I hope these scream or give Clawdeen Wolf. Again, I've never watched the movies, or I think I watched one of them. Maybe the one about New York. I don't know what it's called. I think I watched one where they went to New York, but I think that's like the only Monster High movie I've seen. And I didn't own any Monster High dolls. I was more of an Ever After High doll girl, if you know anything about dolls and Barbie dolls and whatnot. So yeah, this was a cute set. I like the color combo. That's why I really wanted to do this, because of the color combination. Also, I didn't do the Monster High logo on top of the leopard print on the, is that leopard print? Zebra print on the cat eye polish, because I just didn't feel like doing it. I was not about to struggle doing a design I had no business doing anyway. I just wanted the color combination. I was like, oh, the color combination is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So that's why I did it. So I thank you guys so much for watching. This was definitely a journey. This video, I haven't been uploading the last couple of weeks because I haven't been feeling like it, and I've had some things going on, so I'm gonna try to film more. Again, this is a Wednesday upload. This is not a Sunday or a Saturday upload, so excuse me for that, but I'm gonna try my best to do Saturdays and Sundays and Wednesdays occasionally. But on Friday, I want to do a Halloween special. Ooh, ooky spooky. So ooky spooky. I'm crazy. But anyway, I guess I will see you guys on Friday for the Halloween special, the ooky spooky Halloween special. And I thank you guys so much for watching again. I will see you in the next one. Bye.